you know, just chilling here for a bit before I start resuming practicing again. But just check it out. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love the sunroof. The infotainment system is huge, 9 inches. Oh my god, this is really, really comfortable in terms of the seat and everything else. Oh my god, like what? It's such a different feel a little bit, and it's really comfortable with these seats. It's Alcantara seats. This holder right here, huge cup holders. Manual transmission. I got the wireless charger here that's working. Oh my god, this is just, oh my goodness. And I'm a pretty tall dude. I'm 6'3", so it fits pretty well. And I have my settings. Let me turn it up a bit here. I have all of these ones. I'll set up all the modes and everything later. Today is just getting a feel for driving the car actually, and driving a manual transmission. Holy shit, this is so awesome. This is so much fun. But you see me already stall a few times, but it is what it is. That's part of the game. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes permanent. So yes, very roomy. It doesn't have windshield wipers because of the style of the car. I mean, it's a hatchback, but visibility is not bad at all. I'm not complaining at all whatsoever. Wait, let me check 1 second, because everyone's saying that there's no rear vents, which there isn't. But 1 sec. Yes, so actually you can feel it here. The rear vents is pretty strong. It's under here. Yeah, they don't have it here. There's no vents here, and you got the nice 2 charge cables here. Yeah, there's no vents here, but they're actually under the seat. When you did the selection, what I did just now, see what I did? You have it both the top and the bottom. Well, the bottom vents from here to here, and the bottom vents, you can actually see it. It's through under here. So yeah, they'll get air here, guys. I'm actually gonna test the music. Let me see. I just listened to Foxy Brown. I actually like this one.
Records. Just that feeling music, you know? We make that music you can feel. Just blaze. From the ghetto to the ghetto.
Ooh, wait a minute. That's the sound? Oh my god. Wow. So you guys know that. Sorry, let me post it down. It has the ELS Studio 3D speakers, 16 of them. Oh, I'm turning this up a bit. Wow. Wow. This is really, wow.
This can't be life, this can't be love. They roll with a whack, I roll with a snub, we all in a fight.
Woo. This is really comfy. Holy crap. That's nice. Wow. Crisp sound. Very crisp. Let me lower it down. I like this song, but this is awesome. I'm so excited. All right, let's go to the front of the car. And let's practice going and doing this whole thing again. Alrighty. This is so exciting. I like this the display here, heads up display up here. Yeah, all the monitors here. I'm in normal mode. I'm not gonna try any other mode until I get used to driving in manual. Alright, so let's practice reversing. I'm on a major highway, so that's gonna be very interesting. But again, I'm probably gonna stay here until shit. Well, I could do my graduation thing. It's actually in an hour I have the graduation thing, but I'll probably do it in my car. I don't have time to go home. Home is like an hour away from here. But anyway, in any case, let's practice reversing. All right. So I got the clutch in, shift out, parking brake out. Beautiful camera. Release, release, release. Oh shoot. brake. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm putting my brake in because I don't want to go too far back. You know, because if I release the brake, then it's going fast, of course. So I'm gonna put the brake in. First gear. Put some gas in there. Oh, I just stalled. So I think the reason why is because the reason why I stalled was I did it too fast. I released it too fast. All right, so let's go to first gear. Right? Release the brake. Move the clutch a little bit. God damn. Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about my cussing. All right, so
GPS signal lost.
That no more music. First gear. All right, release the brake. All right, okay, so I have to do it spontaneously. Let me just do that again. Putting the clutch down. Brake, 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 brake. Okay, so let's do that again. I'm gonna reverse it now. Control the reverse. Okay, so I'm gonna release the pedal. Release this a bit. Look at that. I have to. So for reversing, you felt that, I don't know if you noticed it, but I felt it shake. That means it was about to stall. So I'm gonna put my brake in every time I'm gonna do the reverse. I mean, I do my braking anyway, so. All right, so put my gear in, first gear. Oh no, I don't want that off. It's 97 degrees out. All right, so let me put it down a bit. Okay, so I have it in first gear. Oh, damn. Oh man, can't do this on the highway. That's gonna suck. All right, so I have it neutral, first gear, release the brake. Just a little bit of that. Slowly, 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 slowly. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. All right, what am I supposed to do? Okay, sorry about that. That is definitely stalled. Start the engine up again. Okay, see, I'm stalling. I'm doing not so well right now, but hey, it is what it is. All right, so I'm in neutral right now. My gear is in. First, pop the clutch. First gear. Release the brake. Slowly, 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 slowly. Why am I going backwards?
GPS signal lost.
Why am I going backwards? All right, so first gear, go in. Right, I'm in first gear. All right. Alright, that's better, but I'm gonna start at that point because that is already the hardest and I have to park that way anyway when I get home, so I'm gonna drive around a bit. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna shift from second to third gear just to get used to shifting up. Now I'm going to downshift. Right. I'm actually going to hit the brake a little bit. park. Bring it around again. Whoo. Okay. Shift in there. Woo! That was hard. That was hard, but it was really, really fun. All right, now let me try to do reverse again. I think that's the hardest for me now. From reverse now, okay? So I'm gonna release the clutch a bit. Right, back up, 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 back up. All right. Now, let's go to first. Is the brake. Okay. Okay, that was smoother. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Right. Ooh, okay, a little faster now. Let me go downshift. There we go. Shift down. Whoo! It's getting better. It's getting better, y'all. This is exciting. This is exciting. Put the parking brake in. Awesome. All right. So, whoo! This is crazy. This is crazy. So I'm gonna do a couple more. I'm gonna sign out a bit, and the next video, you're gonna see me right back on the highway because that's literally the only way that I have to get home. But I will update you on that, and that will be the next video. If you want to follow my journey with this car, I'm probably gonna do more updates and everything else with this car. I'm actually gonna build a website as well. But if you want, please like and subscribe. If you guys are also looking for a manual Acura Integra, let me know. Clinton Acura, thank you so much. Give them a call. I'm gonna show them the links below, and also the links how I learned manual car. I just wrote it. Oops, I started up by mistake. All right, but anyways, please like and subscribe. Thanks, y'all. See you at the next video of me actually getting on the highway and getting home, okay? Peace.